Hello, my name is Lily and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my egg treatment. So if you like to see that, then keep watching. So what you're going to need are an egg or 2 eggs, depending on the length and thickness of your hair, a container for mixing the egg, an oil of choice. For today I'm using coconut oil, your spray bottle containing water, a rat tail comb for whisking your egg or a fork, then plastic bag. Before I go on, let me quickly say that this is slightly different from how I used to do it. Like I'm adding this into the egg because this is dry season and I don't want my hair to get too brittle and dry. So usually when I do my egg treatment, I apply the eggs, cover with plastic cap, leave for like 2 hours, rinse out the eggs, then apply shea butter and leave it overnight. I usually do my egg treatment like the night before washing my hair. So I'll leave the shea butter in my hair till the next day. Then the next day I just go on with my normal wash day routine. But for today, because of this video, I don't want to take that long and I'm combining everything together. That's why I'm adding coconut oil into the egg. So I'm using the entire egg. Then what I do is just add some coconut oil. So like I said before, adding coconut oil into the egg, just keep the step of applying shea butter and leaving it in my hair overnight. This is it. So what I'm going to do is get my hair damp. Just spritz some water. You don't want your hair to be soaking wet, you just want it to be a little damp. And it's better to do it to apply the eggs in small sections so that every strand of hair gets some eggs. So after that, next thing now is to apply the egg, focusing at the ends. Then you work your way up to the rest of the hair. This can get really messy, so make sure you're doing it on a day when you know you don't have any reason to go out and you have enough time to clean up afterwards. After applying the egg and I know like that section has gotten the eggs on like every strand, the next thing I'll do is I'll just twist that to get it out of the way and move on to the next section. Another advantage of using coconut oil, like the organic coconut oil that still has the smell of coconut, is that it helps to reduce the smell of the eggs. So right now, even though I'm applying eggs on my hair, it doesn't smell like eggs. It smells like coconut, somehow like coconut. So I like to call this a protein treatment. I know the hair scientists say that you cannot use eggs or mayonnaise and all that for a protein treatment because the strands of the hair are smaller than the molecules of the eggs and blah blah blah. But I noticed that anytime I feel like my hair is limp or it's breaking more than usual, whenever I do this egg treatment, it stops the breakage. So I'm not saying it's good for a protein treatment, but I know that it works for my hair. It stops breakage, so I'm just going to keep doing it. When I first started doing the egg treatment, I used to do it like every 3 months, but as time went by, I realized that I didn't need to do it as often as every 3 months. So now I only do it when I feel like my hair is breaking more than normal, and I do not have a timetable for that. So now I'm done applying the eggs on all my hair. Now let's not forget the edges. Then put on my plastic bag. I'm going to leave this in for about 1 hour. So I'm done washing my hair, and this is what it looks like. My curls are tighter. So now I'm just going to apply some shea butter. Then I'll follow up with my Jamaican black castor oil by Kuza. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know that this is the latest addition to my hair products. Just a little, just to make my hair smell nicer and to just give it that extra moisture. So now I'm just going to band my hair and style my hair as usual. That brings us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so I get notified whenever I post new videos. Please let me know what kind of videos you want to see next in the comment section down below. And if you're not following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram at Lilian Kibe. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video.